students. Today we are going to see about one of the main important topic in software engineering, that is known as software development life cycle model. It will be called as Sdlc. So this model consists of 7 methods. So before going to the 7 methods, we will see what is meant by software development life cycle. So it is nothing but it will have different levels, and each level will be defined properly and carefully to design a specific software. The next is the objective. What are the objectives of Sdlc? We are using Sdlc, right? So what are the main objectives we are going to define using this Sdlc? The first one, you have to ensure the delivery of high quality systems. Then the second one will be the storage management. Which model we are taking means also there should be a proper strong management will be there. Then the productivity of the given software should be maximized. So the next one is phases. These are the 7 phases we are going to see in software development life cycle. The first one is planning phase, analysis, design, development, testing, implementation and maintenance. Let's see what are the next topic and what are the phases. So the first one is planning. So we all know what is meant by planning. Before starting a new thing, we have to plan what we are going to do. So in this one, the planning is consisted of determining a new system. So what are the new systems needed? We have to determine, and for that you have to define the problem. Then alternative solutions you have to give. Then accordingly you have to prepare a short report. The next phase is system analysis. So you have planned a system. So apart from that, what you are going to analyze means, see, this is the existing system we are having. So from the existing system, what we are going to develop in the new system. For that you have to add the observations, then standard operating procedures you have to get, then information flow should be there. There should not be any flaws. The third one is system design. So this, before getting the design, the first 2 phases are planning and system analysis. So after getting that, you have to design a system, that is the initial input. So for that system design, you have to take diagrams. What are the diagrams you have needed, or else flowchart we can use. So accordingly you have to design a modules. So next one will be system development. So system development is nothing but getting the software and hardware. What are the software you have needed, and for that software what kind of hardware you have to acquire. So create the manuals for users and operators. The next one is system testing. We all know testing. We have to test the prepared software. So for that 2 types of system testings are there. First one is module testing and second one is integration testing. Module testing is nothing but testing each part of the system. Nook and corner we will test. But integration testing, it will check by unit, that is module by module only it will check. It is better to we go for module testing. The next one is system implementation. You have defined the software, everything. After that, we have to take the implementation process. From that, you have to, what is meant by old system to new system means, that is existing system to the proposed system, what we have found newly. Then we have to train the users according to the new system. Then you have to finish the compiled documentation. Then you have to give the training for the users. Then the last phase is the system maintenance. This plays a crucial role because see physical repair of the system. You have developed the software, you have given the software to the users. So from there, if you are having any errors, you have to repair and build the system immediately. Then that is what new bugs. Bugs are nothing but the errors. Then adjustments to the environmental changes. So we have defined a software in our environment and giving that software to the new environment. So that software should adapt to the environmental changes. Then the next one is adjustments for using change needs. It is adaptive process. The last one is changes to user better techniques. That is become available. Based on availability, you have to give the better techniques. Thank you.